Are you in search of a local top-rated plumber in Yuba City? Your answer is John's Rooter. Local, family-owned, 5-star rated. With over 25 years of experience, John is Yuba City's own plumbing expert, specializing in drains and sewers, armed with high-tech gadgets like sewer cameras and hydrojets, and top-of-the-line trenchless equipment. We're ready to tackle any problematic sewer line. Clogged shower? Clogged toilets? Or the dreaded sewer backup? No problem is too big or too small for our team of skilled professionals. We're available 24/7 because plumbing emergencies don't wait for business hours. With our trenchless technology, we can even save your yard from becoming a dig site. At John's Rooter, we're not just plumbers, we're your neighbors, your friends, your local plumbing experts. So the next time your pipes need saving, remember, John's Rooter, Yuba City's own drain expert. Call 530-433-5773 today for fast same-day service.